What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete Instagram messages on your iPhone. If you've ever sent a message on Instagram that you want to take back, or just want to clean up your inbox, there are two simple ways to delete messages. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Tap on the message icon in the top right corner to open your chats. This will bring up a list of all your recent conversations. To delete a specific message inside a conversation, tap on the chat to open it. Find the message you want to delete and tap and hold on it. From the menu that appears, tap Unsend. Instagram doesn't use the word delete here. Instead, Unsend removes the message for both you and the other person. Once you unsend it, the message is gone from the conversation completely and no one will see it. You can repeat this for as many individual messages as you want. Just tap and hold and then tap Unsend. Now, if you want to delete the entire conversation, go back to the main inbox screen. Find the conversation you want to remove. Then, swipe left on it. Tap the bin icon and then confirm by tapping Remove again. This removes the full chat history from your device. Keep in mind that deleting a conversation only removes it from your side. The other person will still have the conversation unless they delete it as well. Also, any shared media, like photos or videos in the messages, will be permanently deleted from your chat view. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.